Hello friends, this is Devleena from Stringent Dance Academy, and today I have brought you a lesson based on Jati. Jati is the rhythm pattern, or you can say the unit of rhythm. This refers to the kind of pattern that you want to create while using a rhythm. Now there are in total Pancha Jatis. It starts from Tishra Jati, the pattern of rhythm of 3, then followed by Chaturashra Jati, the rhythm of 4, then comes Khanda Jati, the rhythm of 5, then comes Mishra Jati, the rhythm of 7, and at last comes Sankirana Jati, the rhythm of 9. Now see how these patterns are different from one to the other. I'm starting with Tishra Jati. As I said that Jati is a unit of rhythm, so you see that in Tishra Jati we will follow a rhythm of 3. Okay, like takit, 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 takit. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the rhythm of 3 or the Tishra Jati. The next in our list is Chaturashra Jati. Chaturashra Jati is the rhythm of 4. See how it goes. Takka dimmi, takka dimmi, takka dimmi, takka dimmi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is Chaturashra Jati, the rhythm of 4. Khanda Jati comes next in the list, and I told you that Khanda Jati is a rhythm of 5. Okay? Takka, takit, takka, takit, takka, takit, takka, takit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is Khanda Jati or the rhythm of 5. Next in our list is Mishra Jati, which is 7. The count of 7. Now here you can divide it into 4 and 3 or 3 and 4. Both way it is correct. First I am saying 3 and 4 and then showing 4 and 3. 3 and 4 can go like this. Takita takka dimmi, takita takka dimmi, takita takka dimmi, takita takka dimmi. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It can go the other way around as well. Okay, like takka dimmi takit, takka dimmi takit, takka dimmi takit, takka dimmi takit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Last in our list is Sankirana Jati, which is the number 9. This is the rhythm of number 9. Takka dimmi takka takit, takka dimmi takka takit, takka dimmi takka takit, takka dimmi takka takit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So with that we come to the end of this jatis. Now please remember that jati is, I told you that it is a rhythm pattern. So any jati can fit in any tal, okay? And in any lay it can be done. At any speed it can be done. It is not necessary that Tishra Jati will only fit into Dadra Tal, which is a 6 matra tal like Dha, Dhina, Thatina and Takita, Takita. No, not like that. It can also fit in Trital, okay? The Trital, a 16 matra tal like Takita, 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 Takita. So Tishra Jati can also fit into Trital, which is divided into 4 matras in each vibhag. Similarly, Mishra Jati 7 can also fit into 3 tal. Not necessarily that it will fit into a tal which is of 7 matra like Rupak. Okay, Ti, Ti, Na, Dhi, Na, Dhi, Na. Okay, not like that. It can fit into 3 tal as well. For example, takita takka dimmi, takita takka dimmi, takita takka dimmi, takita takka dimmi. So don't get confused. Don't think that if a jati is of 7 count, if it's Mishra Jati, it will only fit into a tal which is a 7 matra tal. No, not necessarily. If Khanda Jati is of 5, then it will fit only into Jhap tal, which is a 10 matra tal. No, not like that. Any jati can fit into any tal. It can be done on based any lay, but just remember that the rhythm pattern cannot be changed. Okay, the rhythm pattern takit takit 1 2 3 1 2 3. Whether we do it in dadra or we do it in trital or we do it in jhaptal, the rhythm pattern should remain the same. Now let's quickly revise all the 5 patterns at one go, starting with Tishra Jati. Okay, takit 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 tak dimmi tak dimmi tak dimmi tak dimmi tak takit tak takit tak takit tak takit takit tak dimmi takit tak dimmi takit tak dimmi takit tak dimmi. Last Sankirna. Tak dimmi tak takit tak dimmi tak takit tak dimmi tak takit tak dimmi tak takit. Okay, so you have seen that I have not mixed up the rhythm pattern when I was doing different jatis one after the other. Okay, this is a little complex. It needs a lot of practice. Keep practicing. Surely you will learn it very soon. Thank you so much for watching today's video.